Welcome back to the channel, Auto Plus Reviews. Today, we've got an exciting review of the 2025 Suzuki Auto Rickshaw, a model that's been making waves in the auto industry with its combination of practicality, affordability, and design. Let's dive right into it. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Suzuki Auto Rickshaw comes with a sleek, modern design that blends both functionality and style. The vehicle features a compact frame, perfect for maneuvering through crowded urban streets. The front end sports a bold grille with sharp lines, giving it a fresh and dynamic look. The large headlights provide excellent visibility, especially at night, and the body is streamlined, reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency. Additionally, the side profile showcases its sturdy structure with durable steel rims and a well-defined chassis that ensures the rickshaw is built to last. Available in a range of eye-catching colors, this rickshaw is not only practical but also stylish for everyday use. Inside, the 2025 Suzuki Auto Rickshaw surprises with a surprisingly spacious and comfortable cabin. Despite being a compact vehicle, Suzuki has made sure there's ample room for both the driver and passenger. The dashboard is clean and straightforward, with all the essential controls within easy reach. The seats are ergonomically designed, providing comfort during long rides, and the cabin is well ventilated, ensuring a pleasant experience, even in hot weather. The interior is also equipped with modern features such as a basic infotainment system, power steering, and a few safety features like seat belts, which are a welcome addition for extra peace of mind. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Suzuki Auto Rickshaw doesn't disappoint. Powered by a reliable engine, it delivers decent acceleration and power, making it perfect for city commuting or light-duty cargo transport. The engine is fuel efficient, ensuring that you can run long distances without constantly worrying about refueling. The suspension system is designed to absorb bumps and potholes, providing a smoother ride for passengers. With a top speed that's more than adequate for urban environments and excellent handling, the Suzuki Auto Rickshaw is a joy to drive, especially in busy areas where tight turns and quick acceleration are crucial. As for pricing, the 2025 Suzuki Auto Rickshaw offers exceptional value for money. Depending on the market and features, you can expect the price to range from around $4,500 to $6,500, making it an affordable choice for small businesses or personal use. Considering the vehicle's durability, efficiency, and versatility, it's a great investment for anyone in need of a reliable transport option. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Suzuki Auto Rickshaw. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next one.